Welcome to my channel, y'all. For those who don't know, I'm Jay Wayne, and my mission is to help you become a profitable trader so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people that's around you. That's my mission. It's been my mission from the moment I started YouTube, and I never stopped. All right, I help a lot of people become profitable in the Forex market, people that's watching my videos, using my methods, and a lot of people have joined my academy, Trend Trading Academy. All right, but I'm excited because this is my first official video in 2021, and it's going down. All right, I'm not letting up. I'm putting my feet on the gas, all gas, no brakes, and we coming to take profits. All right, today I'm gonna talk about the first trade setup for 2021. Easy, patience, because patience is action, but super easy. Let's dive in right after this.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, taking profit like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro. We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh? We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And again, it's 2021 and I'm super excited to get on these videos, to get on these charts, and to help you guys make this money. All right, before we dive into the charts, before we dive into the setup, we're gonna get right to it. All right, I want to give a few shout outs to some of the subscribers in the comments of my last video. If you haven't saw my last video, it's called why 2020 was my best year, and we got some people I want to shout out. So right here we got K Rose TV, Noti Gang with the money emoji. You know what's going down. What's up, K Rose? We got Muhammad Hussein. He says, big legend. I appreciate that, bro. Saeed Kareem said first again. So shout out to you for being first. You got Duke is saying, you inspire me, Jay. Ready for the new year of my life. Hey, I'm ready too, Dukas, man. Let's go, man. I'm ready. We about to change some lives. All right. AD Ping says, congratulations, Jay. Happy 21. We are ready for the great vibes that you gonna drop, bro. AD Ping, you already know what's going down. All right, let me scroll through and find one more. Clara says, I love the flashback 2020. Wish you only the best of the best in 2021. So that's what's up. So again, like I said in that video, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, and I'm going in all gas, no brakes. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's get into the charts. I gotta roll up my sleeves on this one because it's definitely about to go down. All right, so we about to dive in these charts for 2021. I'm about to get to operating, I'm about to dive into the lab, and it's about to go down. Let's get it. All right, team, so this is GBP CAD, and we're gonna start on the 1 hour chart. You can see it right over here. It's the 1 hour chart, GBP CAD. Now, if you have not watched my videos, I came out with like a 2-video series, really not a series, just part 1, part 2 of my RSI divergence strategy. So you need to watch that video, okay? You can watch that video at the end of this one, and you can see the strategy in its entirety, part 1 and part 2. I gotta make a part 3 to go over some Q&A questions, some very important questions that the people asked in the comment section. So that'll be like a part 3. But the strategy portion of it is already out, part 1 and part 2. All right. So anyways, what I want you to see here is the reason why I mentioned that, because we're gonna see divergence on this chart. But this is the first setup for 2021. Okay. This is the first setup. Now, this is GBP CAD on a 1 hour. What I want you to see here is this. Do you see how the market is going up? Okay. But look at the RSI. And remember, I said I like to find these on the 1 hour or above. Look at that. Okay. So now automatically we see divergence, and it's already pushing to the 50 moving average, right? So we're in a good spot. Now, divergence does not mean, okay, let's take a sell. You know, or okay, let's take a buy. It means that something is happening in the market. Momentum is slowing up. All right, momentum is slowing down. Somebody's taking profit, somebody's shifting momentum, the big ballers or whatever, right? So that's what you got to understand. So now you have to wait patient. You have to be patient. And the fact that we got this, let me zoom in for you. And the fact that we got this big doji candle at the top is lovely. Okay, that's lovely. Right up in there. Now we have to be patient, because patience is action. Now it's like, well, people always say, well, they always say be patient in Forex, but what am I being patient for? So now we want to mark up this trend line just like this, and I'm gonna put it right up in here. So I'm gonna make the trend line actually a solid line, so you can see the difference between the divergence and the trend line. So there we go. So we got the crossover on the MACD line, the blue line cross below the orange line. So that's the MACD line and the signal line. They cross them down. That means a pullback is coming. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. And now we got the MACD underneath the histogram already, showing you that momentum is to the downside. So everything is in place. Now you just have to wait for price to break this trend line. That's the safest bet. If it don't break this trend line, do not sell it. All right. The reason why I like this trend line here, because it has multiple friction points. Let me mark up the friction points for you. Market bounced right off of this multiple times. That's a friction point. All right. Came back here on that same line, bounced multiple times off of that zone, friction point. Bounced again, wicked out, friction point. So we have 3 friction points on this trend line. I love it. With divergence. So this is going to be a great trade setup. If it don't break the 50, breaking the trend line, if it don't do that, then all it's going to do is make another friction point and then obviously shoot higher. Well, that'll be easy. That'll be easy. If it don't sell, then we buy. It's a good place. It's a good spot to buy. It's a good spot to sell, because we at the bottom of a friction point, a bottom of a trend line. So we in a good spot either way. All right. Patience is action. Also, what you see here is a flag pattern forming, right? So what if it just continues to make this flag pattern and start to get tighter and tighter? It's going to break out some type of way. It's going to break out some type of way. So we're ready either way. Patience is action. And one thing about GBP CAD, you got to know the characteristics of it. You got to know the way it moves. That's why we preach studying 1 or 2 pairs in the beginning, so you can learn the characteristics. If you guys want me to go down a list of the GBP currency pairs, like their characteristics, then comment below if you want me to go over the characteristics of all the pound pairs, so I can kind of give you a head start. All right, so now we're on GBP CAD on the 4-hour. Remember, we teach time frame analysis, okay? Multiple time frame analysis. That is what we preach. That is what we teach. All right. So look, the 1 hour we found divergence. Now on the 4-hour, I don't see divergence. Right. Let me point it out to you. I don't see divergence here. Let me see right here. I don't see divergence. Right. Everything is going the same way. Okay. So that don't mean that the 1 hour is not going to hold up. It does not mean that. I've proven to you that it will. All right. But what we need, the way we need to think about this is we see a double top happening on the 4-hour. We see a potential double top happening. Plus we got multiple friction points. And voila. What do we have here? See, this is when we catch runners. This is when we look at 100 pip moves. All right. And I'm trying to get this video out quick so I can give it to you guys. All right. So I'm not trying to talk a long time explaining everything in detail. I want to get you the first trade set up for 2021. All right. So this is beautiful. All right. Price is wedging because it's not making a higher high. All right. Anymore. You know, it kind of came up, looked like it's making a double top, but we're not going to jump on that double top. Discipline. All right, follow your rules because hashtag rules save lives. So let this thing fizzle out. All right, let this thing fizzle out. Let me make it bigger for you. Let it see what it's gonna do in here. But we know on the 1 hour we got divergence. We got momentum look like it's shifting on the 1 hour. It's already printed. You feel me? It's already printed. Now on this 4 hour we see a double top, a potential double top up here, and we got multiple friction points. People keep saying what is friction points? Just watch the video. Look, listen. Price rejected here, 1 friction point. Now we got 2. Now it's valid. Now we got another one. These are friction points. All right? These are friction points. We need those. So when price breaks the trend line, we know it is going to hold up pretty well because it rejected it more than once, more than twice. The more times it touched that trend line and bounce up, the more friction points it give us, the more powerful that break is going to be. You understand? That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully you guys take notes on that. All right. So there we go. So we're just waiting. We're waiting for the breakout. Now, if it don't break to the downside, then we already got the trend line at the top to take the buy. Follow the market. Follow the banks. Okay? I call it my FTB strategy. Bet nobody watching this better not steal my stuff. The FTB strategy. Follow the banks. All right? This is how I follow the banks. I keep it very, very simple. Now, let's say we take this this sell. If it breaks out of here, where are we going to take profit at? The first level to take profit at will be at this level down here. Okay, I'm going to make that green for you. All right, this is our take profit level. This is TP1 right here. Right where price rejected at in the past. It got multiple rejections living right in this area, all in this zone area. Let me mark it up for you. All in this zone area is TP. All right, I'm conservative. I'm taking the first one. The first touch on this level, I'm taking profit. I ain't playing around. I compound my money. I compound that money, baby. We team take profits over here. So that's the first TP. Now, how many pips is that? 85, 88 pips. That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. You might as well go ahead and roll in that cha-ching right now. You might as well go on and hit the cha-ching right now. You feel me? So patience is action on this one for sure, team. I'm giving you guys the game right now. I'm telling you what to look for, okay? And it takes patience. If you always just jumping in, scalping all the time, hitting buy and sell 50 times a day, that's not that. I mean, that's reckless trading. All right, I'm trying to help you guys get high quality trade setups. High quality that's gonna go 50 to 80 pips. Okay, that stuff takes patience. All right, and it's gonna happen. All right, look at the market. The market is moving. The market will get there. You just have to be professional enough to be there when it happens. Guys, so if I laced you up, if you guys are ready and feel like you're prepared now, please like this video. Please like it so YouTube can push the video out to more people so we can help more people. My mission is to not help 1 and 2 people, but to help the masses. All right, and I'm definitely knowledgeable and I'm willing to do it. All right, guys, so I hope I laced you up. Again, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.